जब भी फेस्टिवल्स आते हैं हम कंगाल हो जाते हैं, खर्चे बढ़ जाते हैं और सेविंग्स गायब हो जाते हैं। एंड आयरॉनिकली द हैप्पीएस्ट मंथ्स ऑफ द ईयर लीव्स अस द मोस्ट ब्रोक। फ्रॉम रक्षाबंधन टू दिवाली, India celebrates over 100 festivals in just 4 months, and in that time India spends around 2 lakh crore, and just the few weeks of sales like Amazon Great Indian Festival pulls around crores of records. Everyone is celebrating. Retailers are dancing in profits. E-commerce is crashing with orders. Banks are offering 0% EMI. But what about you and I? We often get trapped. We swipe emotionally. We confuse celebration with consumption. We chase dopamine in a 5,000 deal and live with days of regret. And the irony is, during these divine festivals, we worship Lord Ganesh and Lakshmi, but often forget the values they represent. That is Buddhi and Sampati. But if we truly brought both into our lives, that is wisdom in spending and clarity in wealth, our financial future would change completely. So what if this festival season we celebrate with a new mindset? Nothing less but just better. So stick around, because in this video we will decode how to celebrate festival without falling into financial trap. So let us bring Buddhi and Sampati together once and for all. Namaste friends, I am Rohini and you're watching the knowledge series of fincash.com. Every time you make a festive purchase, pause and ask, is this what you really need or want, or it is just a momentary pleasure? Acharya Chanakya ji says, before you spend, ask, will it bring you long-term peace or short-term pleasure? Try this simple rule of 24 hour. जब भी आपको कुछ खरीदने की इच्छा हो, उसे पहले जाके कार्ट में ऐड कीजिए। 24 घंटे तक रुकिए। अगर आपको फिर भी वो प्रोडक्ट या वो चीज की जरूरत हो तो ही जाके खरीदिए। This decides what are your priorities and separates you from impulse buying. The God we worship during this divine season are financial blueprints. Ganpati for Buddhi, Lakshmi for Daivi Sampati, for success, for wealth, Saraswati for Gyan, that is knowledge, Kuber for prosperity, Durga for protection. These deities do not bless chaos. They bless order, discipline and right action. आप हर बार सोचते हैं कि इस साल आप ज्यादा खर्च नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन सेल्स का बैनर देख के आप खर्च कर देते हैं। Today I'm going to share you 5 logical financial tips that will help you enjoy your festive in a pocket-friendly way. Budgeting is a must. फेस्टिवल का मजा तब आता है जब हम में बाद में कोई टेंशन ना हो। तो आप पहले ही डिसाइड कर लो कि इस साल आप इतना खर्च करोगे। हर कैटेगरी का एक फिक्स्ड बजट करो, चाहे वो गिफ्ट्स हो, क्लोथ्स हो, डेकोरेशन हो या फूड हो, एंड मेक श्योर दैट यू डू नॉट क्रॉस योर बजटिंग लिमिट. Apply the 1 in 1 out rule. For every new festival item you buy, whether it is clothes, decor or kitchen gadgets, remove one or donate one from the existing item. This forces you to buy only what truly adds value and keeps your clutter away. The third tip is invest part of your festive bonus before spending. If you get a festive bonus, park at least 20 to 30% in a short-term investment like liquid fund, RD or gold bonds before you start shopping. This way, festivals help you grow wealth instead of draining it. Pick up the right thing, just not more things. फेस्टिवल में हम क्वांटिटी चेस करते हैं। 10 छोटी चीज लेने से अच्छा 2 ही अच्छी चीजें लो। एक अच्छी चीज लो, but ensure it stays with you for long time. The fifth and most important tip is sweets. घर पर बनाओ, हेल्दी होती है, but it will help you to save more money. Our parents saw festival as value-based tradition, and we see them as monthly expense. Maybe it's time to go back to our roots and forward with awareness. Let's stop celebrating blindly. Start celebrating intentionally. Remember, true wealth is built slowly and steadily, just like we do our everyday puja consistently. त्योहार का मतलब खर्चा करना नहीं होता, त्योहार का मतलब होता है खर्चे को अच्छी तरह समझना. If you celebrate wisely today, your future self will thank you for every penny you saved. So this festival season, plan like Kuber, spend like Lakshmi, protect your assets like Durga, and invest like how Chanakya would do. It is your money, invest smartly.